Sir, is there any other fuel cell than what we have learned till now?
Yes, the microbial fuel cell.
Microbial fuel cell. I have never heard about this before.
Okay, let's discuss about it in detail.
Microbial fuel cell come to exist due to conversion of organic substances into energy. A microbial fuel cell is an electrochemical system that drives an electric current by using bacteria and mimicking bacterial interactions found in the nature. Principle of MFC. Due to bacterial respiration, the electrons are generated and they move towards the cathode. The anodic and cathodic chamber of MFCs are separated by proton exchange membrane. What are you discussing? Now explain the topic to whole class.
Now we will discuss about the reaction mechanism of MFCs. The mechanism of MFC is same as the mechanism of other fuel cell. The core reaction is cellular respiration, which is a collection of metabolic reactions in which the nutrients are converted into adenosine triphosphate, which fuels the microbial activity. Microbial fuel cell consists of two types of reactions, anodic side reactions and the cathodic side reactions. So first we will discuss the anodic side reactions. On the anode side, under the aerobic condition, the organic substances are converted to CO2 and water by the microbes, while under the anaerobic condition, microbes convert the organic substances into CO2, electrons and protons. So in order to generate electricity, we have to kept anodic chamber under the anaerobic condition.
We will talk about electron transfer mechanism. The electrons that are generated on anodic chamber follows the external path to come at the cathode. For this purpose, the electrode at the anode side should be electrophilic. Sometimes the microbes do not have a capability to transfer the electrons towards the cathode. So some external agents are to be added, or the microbes create some materials which help them to transfer the electron to cathode. Thus, there are two types of electron transfer mechanism, that is, first is through externally added mediator and second is through self created mediators.
Now let's discuss about proton transfer mechanism. The protons that are generated at anodic side are passed through the proton exchange membrane. The most commonly used membrane is Nephron, which is also known as polyperfluorosulfonic acid. As shown in figure, Nephron contains sulfonic acid groups which are converted to SO3- on hydrolysis and forms H3O+. The reaction is also shown. This H3O+ will move to another hydrolyzed ionic side and H+ will be added to the SO3- and the process repeated continuously. Our next topic is cathodic chamber reactions. As shown in figure, the organic materials obtained from water streams or other water resources is collected in anodic chamber and on reaction in presence of microbes as catalyst gives carbon dioxide, H+ and electrons. The H+ passes through the membrane to cathodic chamber where it reacts with oxygen to give water and heat.
So, what are the advantages of microbial fuel cell? Number 1. In microbial fuel cell, electricity is generated from bio-waste and organic matter, so it reduces use of non-renewable source of energy, which will be saved for future. Number 2. Reduces GHG emission as it doesn't require any fossil fuels. Number 3. It uses microbial as catalyst instead of platinum, so it reduces the cost.
It has some limitations. MFCs can produce limited power. They have low power density. The highest power density reported is 50 watts per cubic meter. Another limitation is high cost of materials such as Teflon membrane. Efforts are being made to reduce the cost of MFCs. The ohmic losses in an MFC include both the resistance to flow of electron through the electrodes and interconnection and resistance to flow of ions through the CEM if present, and the anodic and cathodic electrolytes. The MFCs cannot operate at low temperature due to fact that microbial reactions are slow at low temperature. That's all. Did you understood what I taught to you?
Yes, sir.